Hi, I'm Shane Gregory. I'm Reekie's Business Development Manager.
I'm Brett. I'm the in-situ supervisor here at Reekie Machining.
Hi, I'm Mark and I'm in my third year doing mechanical engineering for Reekie Machining.
I've worked for several companies in the oil and gas industry, so I started off as a technician, so doing basic machining, bolting scopes, onshore, offshore and over the world. I then moved into a supervisor role, done that for approximately 7 or 8 years, and then I got offered an opportunity to start in technical sales. From there, I've been doing that approximately 5 to 6 years now, and it was a natural progression from being on the tools to working with customers and sorting their problems out.
I started as a project engineer for Reekie Machining straight out of uni, and I spent about a year doing that. I was speaking with David and it really excited me, the idea I could take on a new challenge within Reekie's and grow my skill set and develop into a more leadership role, and that really excited me. So I moved across here to the supervisor position for the in-situ team.
Before this, I was in KFC doing part-time work and also studying electrical engineering in the West College of Scotland in Paisley. And then I got the phone call coming from Tam, my uncle, saying they might have a wee opportunity here, so I took it. My first 6 months in here, I was sent to a training centre out in East Kilbride, and they would basically just train you up on each machine, learn the basics pretty much, and then once you've got all that, you pass there, you're sort of exposed to those machines, so you use the practice that you learned in East Kilbride. You take it in here and just sort of build up your own confidence as you're coming in here.
Reekie's are well renowned for doing bespoke, complex machining. My previous jobs, although it was all high tolerance and difficult machining scopes, Reekie's were the next level. So I'd often come across them on sites I've worked on, and when the opportunity came up, I met David, my MD. We had a good chat and there was a good level of what they'd done versus what I could bring to Reekie's as well to help them with the different types of machining they wanted to do.
My role involves a whole range of things. No day is the same. It can involve anything from doing a little bit of engineering work, managing teams, a range of project management as well. It's not just renewables, not just oil and gas, a whole package, and you get to experience little bits of these industries. I really enjoy working at Reekie's because you get out what you put in and you're given the freedom to make the most of your role and your skill set. The responsibility put on you is really great and it's really satisfying.
My future in Reekie's will just to be continuing my development as an on-site machinist and in the workshop as well. Learning off of the experienced lads that are involved in here and just taking my time really, making sure that I'm getting the job done right and enjoying my work.